Look what I got in the mail today. I got a pretty awesome fire pit. It's I would say the ultimate fire pit. I've had plenty over the years, too many to count because of wear and tear, but I've been following Solo Stove for a while on Kickstarter, and I pulled the trigger. I'll leave the links to where to get it on a pretty large discount in the description down below. But yeah, here it is. You got the shield, which retails at $199 or $229. The shelter cover for inclement weather and rain. Definitely recommend that, especially if you live in a place where weather changes on a dime. The Solo Stove sticks, great for hot dogs, marshmallows. You can make your own kebab or whatnot. This guy came with the Solo shield. The Solo shield has these little notches in them, so that way you could place your stove sticks right there on the little what is it? The grooves that they have there, the little notches that are cut in. And then you have the Solo Stove fire pit, I guess like tools, and these things kind of help you out not to catch on fire. The poker and the wood grabber. That's what she said. But when it came in the mail originally, I mean, I was like, whoa, that's huge. I mean, look at my hand compared to the box. I mean, it's a good size stove. So let's unbox it. And there it is. Probably my fastest unboxing of all time. So you have the cover. The shield is inside of the cover. You have the fire pokers and but yeah, let's look at the shield itself.
My jokes way cornier than usual. Folks been running low on their funds and it's mutual, but losing it. News keep telling us it's uncertain what the future is. Thank God for this music and whatever kind of soup this is. Corona means frown in Spanish. You could ask 10. We all bow down and give up and say that's it. Really all it takes for our faith to be displaced. Fear takes over and forget about the grace. Tortured and mutilated. Sorry, bro, in this case. Gotta stop complaining cause I can't go out and get paid. We all got a family and bills we gotta pay, but they the ones that we should treasure, not the vanity, so pray.